Greetings. Today we are making apple fritters. Ingredients: 4 to 5 middle apples, 4 tablespoons of flour, 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Cut the apples into pieces. You can use whole apples, but cut in pieces are more easy to grater. There are many recipes where the middle of the apple is removed. I don't do that. Did you know? Apple diversity. Did you know that there are over 7,500 known apple varieties grown worldwide? From the sweet and crunchy Honeycrisp to the tart and green Granny Smith, each variety has its unique flavor, texture, and culinary uses. This vast diversity showcases the incredible range of flavors and characteristics that apples can offer, making them a beloved fruit for various recipes and occasions. Okay, now we're ready to grate the apples. I like it better when the apples are grated medium, not on a coarse grater, but not on a small one either. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon to taste. Add 2 eggs. Mix everything. Add 4 tablespoons of flour. Mix everything well so that the flour is completely dissolved in the mixture. Heat the pan. Add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Start pouring our mixture into the hot oil. forming small pancakes. Fry on each side for 3 minutes, or until golden and crisp. If you do not like crispy pancakes, then fry on each side for 2 to 2.5 minutes. Consuming apples offers a range of health benefits due to their nutritional content and potential positive effects on the body. Here are some pros of including apples in your diet. Rich in nutrients, dietary fiber, heart health, blood sugar regulation, antioxidant properties, hydration, weight management, good health, cognitive function, oral health, bone health, hydroxybenzoic acid. Let me know in the comments if you have another recipe for apple fritters. Leave a comment below which city you are watching us from. Add honey or syrup to taste. Or sour cream. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like this video. It means a lot to me.